Hello everybody, how are we all today? Who fancies Chinese barbecue spare ribs? Nice and simple, made easy. Let's get straight into it because I'm looking forward to this one. Let me show you what I got. The Aldi spare ribs, I've done them before on my channel and they are quite nice. These are barbecue ones, but if you're having Chinese ones, how about Mister Marinade barbecue instant sauce and marinade, sweet, savoury and oriental marinade, and a sauce mixed with distinctive aniseed aroma and taste, simple mixed with hot and cold water. Absolutely delicious. I'll leave a link to Mister Marinade in my description anyway. There it is if you want to have a look at the ingredients and what we do. Never used this one before. It's going to be nice and interesting, and that's how you make it. I'm probably going to do the whole packet. I have already read it. To mix the whole 150 gram pack with 300 ml of water. And then I'll just baste it as we go. That's what I'm going to do. Nice and simple. And I'm going to have it with a bit of pak choy. Some spring onions. I only had large ones, so I'll have one of them. Some egg noodles, these are protein ones, 99p from Aldi. And a bit of Chinese stir fry. And we'll stir fry them bits up. Nice and simple. And we'll have a bit of Chinese style pork ribs on top. Hey? So, nice and simple. I've got my oven warming up. So let's get these open. I'll show you. 90% of you probably had them anyway before. There they are, look, there's the barbecue sauce. I won't be using that today. There's them. We'll open them in a minute. Before I open them, I'm going to get myself some water and then we'll mix that up. Right, first things first then, we're going to 2 parts water first. That's 2 parts water. We want 1 part of this to make a sort of a little paste. Let's open it up. There it is, look. Oh, it smells lovely, that does. Yeah, it smells really nice. 1 part of that, we will give it a mix, and then we're going to bring it up to, then we're going to have 300 ml of water, which I've just boiled the kettle for. And what I'm thinking is I'm going to put them ribs in, and I'm going to baste it like every 10 or 15 minutes or something. I'm going to do it a bit slower as well. Right, 300 ml of water. Get it in. There we go. And I'm going to stick all of this marinade in. Seems a lot, doesn't it? But you want a thick marinade, don't you? I'll put half in and I'll stir, and I'll put the other half in. It smells really nice. Really nice, that does. Oh yes. Look at that. See that? Hot tray. We're going to get the good old spare ribs out. I'm not putting them on any foil or anything. I'm having them like this. They have been out about an hour, sort of room temperature-ish, if you get me. I'll get my brush and we'll baste away. Oh yeah, some spare ribs. I say I'm going to baste it like every 10 minutes or so, and you can always pour some more over at the end then. I'm cooking it slow, as I've said. I could have even put some water in the bottom of the tray here to look and steam it as well, but I'm not going to do that today. We'll get loads on here, don't we? Want to get it all marinated up, don't we? There we go. I'm going to leave that for 10 minutes, and then I'm going to get it in the oven, and I'm going to marinate it every 10. Okay, they're in the oven. I'm just going to chop my spring onions up and that. I'll probably just use the one. Let's get a good one. That looks a bit wilted. Spring onion and a pak choy. that on there. Just some stuff nice and simple, that's all. I'll probably keep the greens as a little garnish on the top, actually. So we'll chop them there. And we'll do the same with the whites. And I'll probably chop it again down the middle there, because it's a bit big. There we go, that'll do. Oh. And on for your pak choy. So there's two of these, I ain't going to need two. Just going to chop it up like this. And then be stir fried for a minute or two, that's all. There we go guys, we're virtually ready. Okay guys, on to the stir fry bit now. I'm just warming my wok up. Just starting to smoke, get a bit of oil in the bottom, nice and simple. A little bit more. Get that boiling hot before we do anything, eh? While that's just eating, I'm going to open my noodles up. It's going to take like 2 minutes, this. And we're going to open my Chinese style stir fry. And that's that Chinese style stir fry there. Pak choy and spring onion in. It's all going to be nice and simple. Just for a minute. They're all coated. You haven't got to use a wok, you can use a pan if you need to. Noodles are going in. You use the old bag. Nice and simple, bit of crunchy old stir fry on there. Lovely. And my Chinese sauce. Yummy. Get it all nice and coated, and then we're virtually done. And then it'll be time to dish up. Right, let's get the spare ribs off before I stick to the bottom of my rack. Smell delicious. There they are, look. Oh, yes. I have done two. The other one's there. I don't know if you can... there it is. I think we're going to be having a bit more than half of that between me and that. I think we're going to have a bit more than that. Bowl, bit of noodles, nice and simple. Like so. Half a rack of ribs. Lovely and soft. Within about 50 minutes, so I just let it, just took me time, that's all. Let it do itself. I think it was 170 I had it on. I'll just turn the oven off. And a bit of them on top. There we go then. What do we reckon? Nice and simple. There it is, look. Juicy in the middle. Delicious. Right, let's go to the table and let's eat it. So, somebody can't wait. It's tucking right in. Lovely, eh? Smells delicious. What's them like, Dab?
Very nice.
They're really nice. Chinese barbecue. Let me give you a closer look. There they are, look. Oh, yeah. Look at that. And so I made another one. The lad's having his hair cut finally, so we can have half of the other one when he comes in. There's that. Nice.
Very nice.
Oh, so easy.
I thought it was plum.
You thought it was plum? It's got aniseed in it, I think, or something. I'll do like a bit of aniseed. Let me see if I can get some.
Can't taste it.
It's falling off the bone, I know that. There it is, guys. Need a dipping bowl for the water and that, for some water, don't we know, for the fingers.
It's liquor.
Oh, so soft, innit?
Okay.
Oh. That's nice, isn't it?
It is nice.
It's not an overpowering barbecue either, is it?
Oh, it's a barbecue.
Not overpowering, is it? Because we're not big barbecuers, are we, ourselves?
No.
That's nice. What was it? Oh, I threw it away. That's nice, isn't it?
That's really nice.
That's really nice. Lovely and soft. Let's try some of my noodles.
What's that green stuff? I like it. What's that green stuff?
Pak choy.
Nice.
Bit of pak choy. Nice. Nice. Nice dinner. Isn't it? That's delicious, isn't it, Bab?
It is.
Yeah, superb. You can make your own Chinese marinade, Chinese five spice and all that stuff. But for that, I think it's well worth it. I kept basing every 10, and I got probably about a quarter of a jar left, quarter of what's it called? Me jug. About that much left in there at the bottom. Well, I was marinating every 10 minutes and flipping it over. That's why that one over there broke. When I flipped it, fell off the bone. But it's absolutely delicious, isn't it?
I'm really enjoying it.
And I've also got, starts today, is it the 6th today? Yeah. That's when it starts. A PO box, everyone was asking me for a PO box. I've set one up, I'll leave it here somewhere, wherever, and in the description as well. I'll put it in the description so it's always in there for PO box if you want to send me stuff. I know a lot of people ask me. So I've set that up anyway, and all in all, I'm going to go and enjoy my dinner. I'm going to get out of 10, 'cause that's delicious, isn't it? Really nice, isn't it? Well done, Mister Marinade again. Absolutely. And you can do it in the air fryer as well. Couldn't you? But I wanted to do mine like a kind of a slow cook thing, a bit longer. All in all, as I say, what are you giving that, Bab?
10.
You're getting it a 10 as well?
Yep.
Go and eat it before it gets cold. As I say, I'm the old food guy. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. Till the next time, see you later. Bye bye.